Hi there! I collect coins, but not any kind of coin. The Greeks, the Romans, many other ancient peoples didn't leave us just their ruins. They also left us their money, and you, a normal person, can actually own it, collect it, and enjoy it. This is what this channel is about. I'll show you how to assemble a collection of ancient coins, how to read them, how to understand them, how to buy the real thing, and, of course, show you tons and tons of coins in the meantime. Regardless of your budget or previous knowledge, this is the place you will find everything about ancient coins, from the most humble bronze coin for the beginner to the most incredible gold pieces for the long-time collector. So, make sure to stick around, subscribe, and welcome to Classical Numismatics.